So here in the workshop, we have an electric blanket that has been not really working well at all, and we're about ready to throw it out. However, I decided to take a look at it to see if I could figure out what was wrong, and I think I fixed it. So I want to show you what I did and how I troubleshot it, so hopefully this helps you. This is a, I'm not even sure how you pronounce that, Biddeford blanket. And to take this box apart, there's just 4 screws in the back, take those off. And then here you can see these 4 different solder joints. These correspond to the 4 wires coming out, which come over to this spot that plugs into the blanket. To get this out, I did have to cut the blanket a little bit on the edge to slide this part out. And then after that, there was just 4 little clips that you push down with a little small screwdriver, and you can pop them out, and then the cover comes off. Now, what I wanted to try to figure out was there good continuity between the plug being plugged into this port here and these solder joints in the back, because I suspected, because we have black tape on this was our way of making it a little more snug so it wouldn't fall out. So with this plugged in, I would take my multi-tool, put it on continuity, and touch one of these solder joints, and obviously make sure it's unplugged, and touch, it's one of these outside ones, and you can tell that's the one there, it's the direct connection. So this guy should be the outside one here, and then this one should be this guy, and this one should be this guy. Now, before I did my fix, I was not getting a solid tone like this on at least 2 of these connections. So I figured it was a problem between this plug here and these joints. And the fix was actually really simple. And I'll show you what I did. So in here, there's little circle hookups. Now my theory was these pins right here were not making good contact there. So what I did was, if you look at these, there is a little bit of the way it's rolled over, there's a little spot in the middle. You can kind of get a sharp pointy thing. I have this little, I'm not even sure, this is a resistance tester thing, I believe. Yep. And I just kind of stuck it in there, worked it in, and I splayed out the 3 little tips here on all 4 connectors just to make this a little bit bigger. And after I did that, and then plugged it in back in this port, or plugged the plug back in, I got great continuity across all the pins. And I plugged it in, and it was heating up again. So hopefully you guys can do the same thing, and this solves your problems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.